everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a thrifting haul plus a lookbook. So pretty much I have like a mini vlog of me and some of my friends going to 3 different thrifting stores, and then I'll have kind of a little haul and show you guys what I got, and then at the end I'll have a lookbook just kind of throwing together some outfits with the stuff that I got from the thrift store. So if you want to see what I got from the thrift store, then keep on watching. Alright guys, and now we'll get right into the haul. So first I'll do like the little accessories that I got, and all of these I got at a store here in Ames called Overflow, and it's super cute. My friend, she said that she goes there all the time, and they really did have like really good stuff, but we went there last and I was just kind of over not being home. So I got this really cute belt. It has just like this gold detailing, and then it's just a plain black belt. It's super cute and it fits like perfectly on my waist, so whenever I wear high-waisted stuff, now I have a belt because most of my belts are more for like around my hips, so really excited for this one. Alright, next I got some earrings, and it was a 2-pack and it was $1 for 2 pair of earrings. So here's the earrings. They're both just like these vintage hoops. They're so freaking cute. And again, they were $1 for 2 pairs, so I got a pair of white hoops and I got a pair of black hoops. So cute. So the last thing that I got from Overflow was a pair of like vintage mules. And I wasn't crazy about these, but my 2 friends that I were with were like, you need to get them. Like, they're super cute. They look really comfortable, and they're only $3, so I was like, even if I don't like them, it's not that big of a deal, it's $3. But these are them. It has like a little chunk heel, and they're just like a nude color with kind of like a buckle here on the side, and I think they could be cute. I think that they could definitely match with a lot of things because it is a very fleshy nude color, and I don't really have any shoes that are this color, but yeah, they fit me perfectly, and they were $3, and I think they could be cute. They're very vintage. I think they could be cute. Alright, next is the stuff that I got from Goodwill. I did only get 2 t-shirts from there, but they were good finds. Like, I was so happy that I found these things. I couldn't really find any like band tees or anything from anywhere else, so I was really happy to have found these guys. So the first thing that I found was this t-shirt. Like, look at those colors. Those colors are so cool. And I think what I want to do with this one is crop it so that I can wear it with like high-waisted stuff, so it's like kind of cropped. And I might de-stress it or mineral wash it. I don't know. You guys will see in the lookbook what I end up doing with this. But then the other t-shirt that I got, I was so happy that I found this. Like, so happy. It's a Guns N' Roses t-shirt, and I've already began to like distress the top. You can't really see because it's black, but I was de-stressing like around the collar and then on the sleeves. But how cool is this flippin' t-shirt? So cool. I'm so glad that I found it, and I think both of these shirts were like $3.89, I think. Alright, and then the last place that we went was the Salvation Army, and I was so nervous after Goodwill because I didn't find any good, like, obviously everyone wants to find Levi's, you know, when you're going out thrift shopping, just because they make the perfect shorts, and I was so disappointed after Goodwill because I didn't find any pants that weren't like low rise, and I I don't do low rise. So when we got to the Salvation Army, I was so happy. I went to the men's section. Wasn't anything good in the women's section, but I went straight to the men's section. And the pants in the men's section like fits me perfectly. So I don't know what's up with that, but I'm not complaining, honestly. So I did find a pair of Levi's. Super, super happy. I love the color. So like I already kind of cut them into shorts because I got really excited. So yeah, but these are like the perfect color. They are a little bit big on the waist, just a tish, but with that belt, they fit absolutely perfect, and I'm so happy that I found these. All right, and then I did get 2 black pants. So, and they're both the brand Rustler. I'm not sure, but it has like the little tag right there. But yeah, they're both just like plain black pants. These ones I did already cut into shorts too. And I think I'm gonna de-stress these and the Levi's, but like so cool. And then the other black pair that I got fits me perfectly as boyfriend jeans. Like I haven't been able to find a pair that's loose enough but still like fits on the waist, fits in length that you can cuff. Like I just really lucked out with these. So these are them. The color is so cool. The color is kind of not like acid washed, but they're like a faded black. Here's that perfect. And then I can like cuff the bottoms of them, and they fit like a dream, and I love them. All right, guys, so that's all that I got. Let's just get right into the lookbook. Alright guys, and that's all that I got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see how I distress those shorts. I definitely need more pairs of shorts, and I'd love to do a video on that. So give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see that. Don't forget to subscribe. I would appreciate it so much if you would subscribe. And yeah, that's all I got. I'll see you next week. Bye. So if you'd like to see, so if you want to see, why is it so, so the last thing that